Hello everyone. Introduction. My name is Erwin Eka Saputra and you can call me Erwin or Win. And I will show you my daily activity and enjoy this my video. First, I wake up at 5 am. After I wake up, I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I just pray. I have to pray at least 5 times every day. Then I cleaning my room and reading bicycle. And this is when
I'm
I
leaving
reading
home
bicycle.
for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time,
I reading bicycle for 30
cause now
minutes.
I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me.
After I reach home, I take a rest
Feels like
and playing
we're
a game.
in a dream.
And the game
You
that I
know
play is
what
on
I
restaurant and list to play. After playing games, then I went to college at 8 morning. After class, my friend and I decided to rest in basement 5. When the last class ended, my friend and I took a group photo for documentation. After class, my friend and I went home and did our homework. Look at that, my friend is also taking a video. usually do nothing, and maybe I just listen to music or reading a book, comic, or playing a game, and I sleep at 10 p.m. And now it's 10 p.m. I hope you enjoyed this my video, and thanks for watching.